If you wanted to start trading options on Robinhood for the first time, but you don't know where to get started, well, this video is for you because I've been full-time trading for the past 4 years, but I spent the first 2 years struggling and failing because I was buying options. And the minute I switched to selling them, that's when my life changed forever. So inside this video, we're gonna break down how to get approved for options, how to find the right stocks to use, how to pick the right options, and how to use the right option strategy so that you don't have to struggle like I did for years in the market and you can get to your goals much faster. When you open an account on Robinhood, you need to apply for options, specifically level 2, which will unlock cash secured puts, but be warned, it will also unlock buying options. So please steer clear of this because back in the day, they did not do this. Level 1 was cash secured puts, and then you would upgrade later to level 2, which was buying options. But nowadays, they lump them all together because they just want to see you gamble your money. So don't make that mistake that everybody else is making. Just stick to option selling for the first couple years. Now we go to the settings, account, investing. You click these buttons and then get options trading should be a button you need to click to apply and unlock it. It should be pretty quick for this to happen. So click continue. I've entered a spread before, yes, just because this will help you unlock level 3 if you want it later. But again, you don't need it today, but they might not unlock it later if you don't click that. And next up, this is personal information. Fill this out. This is your stuff here. But these are the questions that will disqualify you or qualify you, especially if you answer them correctly. So first one's professional trader, click no. Investment experience, you got to say a lot. Option trading experience, you need to say a lot. If they think you're a complete beginner, they will not unlock options because it could be too risky. And if it's your first account, they might be too nervous. And then these two questions, they want you to understand that there's risk with options and you are probably using them correctly. So do you understand there's a higher risk tolerance needed? Yes. Do you look to grow your money? Yes. If you're trying to be conservative, options aren't conservative. So they probably won't approve you if you don't click those two answers. And so the last thing is do the agreement, click review, click sign up, and then boom, you should have your options. As you can see, they just approved me. I click continue, and then they're gonna enable the expiration date trading. We can do not right now. You don't want to be buying options, and we don't want to be doing 0-day options. So just don't put on the risk. We don't need that right now. And then boom, you're done. Once you go to your profile now, you can see you're on option level 3. What you want to do is downgrade that just so you don't do anything stupid. This allows you to only sell options, never buy spreads or sell spreads just right now. So for now, this is all you need, level 2. We're just going to focus on selling cash secured puts, and this is going to help you have the consistency you would want as a beginner without the struggle. Now we're going to talk about how to pick the right stock, how to pick the right options so that you could put together a strategy that could help you achieve your goals by tomorrow. But today, I use AI. It helps me pick the right entry, know the best stocks, and it helps me figure out the best option for the current market conditions. If you want to struggle less and you want AI to help you do this faster, click the link below, fill out a coaching application. This AI-powered option selling tool is something we give every single student. Picking the right stock is the difference between 1% a month and 5% a month. And here is my simple formula to help you figure out the path for that. First, we're looking at companies that are stable, have been around a long time, and relatively large. We're looking at $200 billion market caps or higher, but when they intersect with high volatility, that's the option seller's paradise. So make sure the IV is over 50%. And at this point, we're gonna have stocks like Nvidia and Tesla, which are large, they move a lot, but it makes it easy for us to sell options and get a really good premium. Most option sellers will do the opposite. They're going to go for the smallest stocks and they're going to chase the highest premiums where the IV is 100 or 200%, which means the stock could fall 50 to 100% in a single month. So don't chase premiums, try to chase large companies with good IV, and that's the unicorn method for option selling. We're going to type in a ticker, for example, Tesla, and we're going to check these two characteristics before selling a put. First, market cap. The company needs to be over 200 billion. Tesla's 1.5 trillion, which makes it one of the top 20 biggest companies, which means it's pretty safe. And we want to be selling puts on high IV, big companies. From there, we're going to sell a put 30 days out, and we're going to make sure we have an IV around 50%. If we can get close to that, that's the key. So I'm gonna have an option that is gonna be a 5% return usually, and that's out of the money. So a lot of these options you can see, we have 450. This is gonna pay $2,000. That's about a 5% return right there. But we have to make sure that implied volatility is good enough before we sell. And we're at 50%. So this would qualify as a put that's worth selling with math system. From there, we click the option, we type in the number of contracts we want to sell, we enter between the bid and the ask, which for me, I'd be putting this in at 22, trying to get filled there. This would be $2,000 of premium that we're hoping to collect, and we're gonna tie up about $40,000 here. So if you click review order, it's gonna say 45K is required for this trade, and that's because it's cash secured. Anytime you sell a put, that's the money you need on the sidelines. When you put in this trade and you sell your first cash secured put, here's what to expect next. That premium that you are about to collect over the next 30 days, for the example I just showed you is $2,000, you're gonna get that over time. There's a couple ways you can make this money. If time decays on the option, you're gonna get money per day. Basically, if the market traded at the same exact price for the full 30 days, you're slowly gonna trickle in a part of that $2,000. But the real money's made if you sell a put option and the Tesla price goes higher the next day. A move higher in the market will drop the price of the option fastest. And as the option seller, you're collecting that quick. So in some cases, when I sell an option with my system and I time the entry perfectly, I'm typically out of the markets in 2 days, which means I'm collecting 2 to 3%, and I don't have to wait the full 30 days to collect any more. So I usually get out when I collect half. And the very first time I sold a put option, I tied up $17,000 to make $500 on Spotify. And the thing was, I didn't check my computer. I wasn't staring at the screens. I wasn't judging candlesticks for an entry. The very first time I started this strategy, it wasn't perfect. I just clicked the button, and honestly, the money just came in. But as you get better and better at this, you want to time your entries. You want to make sure you're using the very best stock, and you want to really prime your options to make sure you're getting the most out of them. The last step of the process is to exit at 50% of the premium you want to collect. For example, with the Tesla trade, we want to collect $2,000. We typically won't. We want to collect as much of that as possible though, which means if we can get $1,000, that's perfect. So from there, you can see most of the trades I enter with our community and our coaching program, we're getting out at 2% return, 2%, 1%, 2, 3, 1. We're never collecting the full 5, but the beauty is we're exiting at 50% of the whole amount quick. So it's not going to be a 30-day hold. Most of the time you're able to recycle your capital and get 3 to 4 trades in 1 month instead of 1. So the key to option selling is premium collection quickly. If you do that well, that's when you're going to maximize this strategy and push your returns up even higher. Now that you know how to get approved, pick the right stocks, find the right options, and manage the trade, you should be in a better place to succeed in the markets in 2026. But if you want to get there faster, if you want my AI-driven option selling software and the coaching calls and my trades every week, click the link below, fill out an application. We'd love to have you in our coaching program. If you want to watch a video to the right of me, this is going to help you sell puts with a full breakdown on the right time of day to do it. The entry point will make or break you, and this is my secret hack for it.